Welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today, I'm going to show you how to do color changing ring tricks. I tried to do the ring juggling outside, but it was just a little bit windy, so this happened, where you do a reverse ring. Oh, it's windy. So all of the talking parts will be outside, and all of the juggling will be inside. To do color changing ring tricks, you need two-sided juggling rings. Usually they're white on one side, and another color on the other side. If you don't have two-sided juggling rings, then you can easily make some of your own. This is one of the rings I made for the DIY ring tutorial video, and then I just put white duct tape on the other side. So definitely go check out that video if you haven't already. It's a good way to get started with color changing ring tricks if you don't feel like buying a whole new set of rings. The key to doing color changing ring tricks is a reverse catch. Normally when you catch a juggling ring, you catch it on the side that's closest to you, like that. But in a reverse ring catch, you catch it on the side that's farthest from you, and then it changes colors. That's the basic idea, but stay tuned because I'm going to give you some special tips that'll help this trick look as good as possible. To get your mind around it, it's good to just throw it straight up and do a reverse catch. Then do that on the other side.
When I was editing this, I realized that I don't reach all the way across to the other side of the ring. I reach more in the middle of the ring.
For the version I'm going to show you, you technically only need to know it with one hand, but it's always good to practice things on both sides. Next, practice doing reverse ring catches back and forth. Now it's time for two rings. You're not going to do throw, throw, reverse catch, reverse catch. You're going to do throw, throw, reverse catch, regular catch. The reason you're practicing it this way is that in the final three-ring version, one hand is going to make continuous reverse catches and the other hand is only going to do regular catches. It really lets the audience see the color change clearly. Practice this on both sides. With two rings, the tricky part is just focusing and make sure that you do regular catch once and a reverse catch the other time. It can be helpful to say out loud what you're doing. When you do color changing ring tricks, you always want to face the audience on the side so they can see the full color change. It's really hard to see it if you just face the audience directly. Also, when you start, make sure that all the rings are the same color.
Here's what it looks like from the side with both hands.
My main problem is doing a regular throw after the reverse ring catch. Again, this is a matter of focus, not a matter of technique. When you add the reverse ring catch, sometimes your brain can get confused. So try to really focus on doing a good throw after your reverse catch. If you're having trouble, you can just practice doing a one-off reverse ring catch.
Eventually, you can build up to doing it continuously. Next week's video is a vlog of me teaching my cousin how to juggle, so hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Keep practicing and have fun.